This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to verify your Kraken account on your phone. First, you'll need to download the official Kraken application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new account. You'll provide your email address and set a secure password. After submitting these details, Kraken will send an activation link to your email. Simply tap that link to activate your new account and proceed with verification. Now that your account is active, it's time to provide your personal information for verification. You'll be prompted to enter your mobile phone number, followed by your full legal name exactly as it appears on your government-issued identification. Next, input your date of birth, confirming you are 18 years of age or older. Then, accurately provide your complete residential address, including your city and postal code. Finally, select your occupation and indicate your source of funds. The next crucial step involves uploading your identification documents. You'll first select your country of residence and then choose the type of government-issued ID you wish to use, such as a passport or driver's license. Carefully take clear, well-lit photos of both the front and back of your chosen document. After this, you will be guided to take a live selfie. Make sure your face is clearly visible and centered in the frame to ensure a smooth identity confirmation process. Once all your personal details and documents are uploaded, you'll submit them for review. Kraken's automated system typically processes intermediate verifications very quickly, often within 30 minutes. However, some cases may require manual review, which could take a bit longer. You will receive an email notification as soon as your account is successfully verified. With a fully verified account, you can enjoy complete access to Kraken's extensive trading features and higher funding limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.